Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable or use the power shot in game on FIFA or EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So previously this game is FIFA Mobile, but right now it's become EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So let's get started by tapping the news update. Try to scroll down this one. This is a power shot. Unleash the fastest and most powerful shot type in the game. The power shot, available for both button and gesture control. So as you can see, this is the gesture one and this is the a power button. All you have to do is just hold the button and try to drag to the right, and you can make this power shot. And also this power shot have a zoom effect that you can try in actual match. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. Enjoy the game.